All right, hello everyone. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your first page of your paper using MLA format. So to start, we are going to check that the margins are correct, and that is 1-inch margins. So if you go to Layout on your Microsoft Word, click on Margins, and you have to make sure that they are 1 inch. So it would say normal, and then we have 1 inch for all. That is checked. Next, we are going to do our font. So it needs to be Times New Roman and then size 12 font. And that may change. So you have to make sure that it stays the same. Sometimes it'll revert back to the original font. Now we need to make sure that we have the correct spacing. So if you right click and go to paragraph options, you will need to make sure that spacing says double, not multiple, and then that this box is clicked here. So don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. So make sure that is clicked and click OK. All right, now we need to add our header, which is our last name and our page number. So if you click Insert, and see this already changed back, so we'll have to make sure that it stays. Insert page numbers, and you're going to do this one, the top right side of the header. You're going to type your last name and then the page number. It does not appear on mine, but if you go to print preview, I can show you that it will appear like so. Now we are going to do our heading. So again, I'm just checking that my font is the same. And nope, it went back. My computer does not like me today. Okay, and so you're going to start with your first and last name, your teacher's names, the class, some spacing. So we are English 10 Regents. And then the date that the assignment is due. So that is the date, the month, and then the year. So it'll look like so. Next, we need to do our title of our paper. So you'll click Enter, and you will need to center that. So you'll have to go over to Text Alignment and go to the Center Alignment. And here's where you type your paper title. Please try to make it creative, not just the name of the assignment. So who am I? Reflecting entity. All right, and then once I have that centered, you do not have to bold it or italicize it unless you are referencing the title of another work in your title. So that's good. I'm going to click enter, and we're still centered. So we're going to have to go back to left alignment. So align left, and you can start writing your paper. But first you need to indent your first line of your paragraph. So you'll click tab, and then you can begin writing. And then you'll see over here that it'll center the paragraph so it is no longer indented. And that is how we begin our first page of our MLA heading. If you see again, it will show up with the name.